Hello everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel Pakistani Girl in USA. I hope you all are doing great. In today's video, we are going to talk about a very important topic for all small business owners, entrepreneurs, and anyone planning to start an online store. Whether you are looking to launch a dropshipping store, sell physical products, or start a vlog with an online shop, choosing the right platform is your first and most crucial step. In this video, I will give you a complete comparison between Shopify and WordPress, covering features, ease of use, design, pricing, scalability, and much more to help you choose the best platform for your needs. Shopify versus WordPress full comparison, ease of use. Shopify very beginner friendly, no need for technical skills, you can drag and drop to build your store. WordPress with WooCommerce requires some technical knowledge. You will need to set up hosting, themes, plugin, etc. Design and customization. Shopify comes with built-in professional themes and simple editing tools. WordPress offers thousands of themes and plugins for total customization but can be overwhelming for beginners. E-commerce features. Shopify, built specifically for e-commerce, come with inventory management, payment gateways, marketing tools, etc. WordPress WooCommerce. You have to install WooCommerce plugin to sell online. Offer great flexibility but needs configuration. Pricing. Shopify fixed monthly fee starts from $39 per month. WordPress free to use but you will pay for hosting, domain, themes and plugin. Cost can vary. Security. Shopify handles all security for you including SSL and PCL compliance. WordPress, you are responsible for securing your site with plugins, updates and hosting. Support. Shopify 24/7 customer support via chat, email and phone. WordPress, no official support but a large online community and documentations. Now I will tell you about which platform is best for a new startup. When it comes to launching a new startup, especially in the e-commerce space, choosing the right platform can make a huge difference in your early success. For most of the beginners and new business owners, Shopify stands out as the best choice. The reason is simple. Shopify is an all-in-one, fully hosted platform, meaning you don't have to worry about technical things like hosting, security, speed, or software updates. It's designed specifically for people who want to start selling online without any coding knowledge. You can choose from professionally designed themes, customize your store with drag and drop builder, and install helpful apps with just a few clicks. Shopify also includes built-in payment gateways, shipping tools, abundant cart recovery, analytics, and SEO features, everything a new startup needs to get going quickly. For example, let's say you want to sell beauty product or handmade items. Shopify let you upload product, connect a domain name and launch your store in just a few hours. On the other hand, WordPress with WooCommerce gives you more flexibility but it comes with a steeper learning curve. You will need to purchase hosting separately, manage security, install themes and plugin manually and make sure everything works together smoothly. This can be overwhelming for new entrepreneurs who are more focused on sales, branding, and marketing than managing a website backend. Moreover, Shopify offers 24/7 customer support, which is a huge advantage. If you face any issues during the setup or while running your store, WordPress, being open source, doesn't offer official support. You will have to rely on forums or hire a developer if anything breaks. While WordPress is ideal for content-heavy business like blogs, online magazine, or service-based websites, Shopify is tailor-made for online selling, making it a smarter, safe, and easier option for new startups that want to start small and scale fast. When it comes to building an online store, choosing the right platform is crucial for long-term success. Two of the most popular platforms for launching e-commerce businesses are Shopify and WordPress, as you know. Both offer unique strength, but they cater to different types of user based on technical skills, business need, and long-term goals. Shopify is fully hosted e-commerce platform specifically built for online selling. It offers all-in-one solution where everything from hosting and security to payment gateways and support is also included. This means user can quickly set up a store without worrying about technical details. Shopify clean interface, drag and drop store builder and built-in tools make it a perfect option for beginners and small business owners. The platform also offers various themes, mobile optimization, SEO features, and app integration to enhance store functionality. Moreover, customer support is available 24 by 7, which is a major advantage for entrepreneurs who want quick assistance. On the other hand, WordPress with WooCommerce is a self-hosted open source solution that offers far more flexibility and customization. It is ideal for users who want full control over their website's design, features, and structure. With WordPress, you can build not only an online store but also create a powerful blog or content-based site. WooCommerce, a free plugin, adds e-commerce capabilities to WordPress, allowing users to sell physical or digital products. However, with WordPress, you will need to manage your own hosting, security, backups, and plugin update. This can be overwhelming for beginners and provide developers. In terms of pricing, Shopify has a clear monthly subscription model, starting from basic to advanced plan, including hosting and support. WordPress itself is free, but user must pay separately for hosting, premium themes, plugin, and security, which can make it more expensive over time if not carefully managed. Shopify charges transaction fee unless you use Shopify payments, while WooCommerce lets you choose from a wide range of payments gateways, some of which may require extra fees. When comparing ease of use, Shopify clearly wins for those looking for simplicity and speed. Everything is streamlined and user-friendly. WordPress has a steeper learning curve, but it is far more flexible in terms of design, development, and SEO capabilities. WordPress is better suited for content-heavy websites, while Shopify excels in product management and sales. The importance of Shopify lies in its simplicity and complete ecosystem for beginners or small business owners with limited technical knowledge. Shopify offers a quick and smooth way to build and manage an online store. It includes everything: hosting, security, templates, and payment integration, making it ideal for those who want to focus on selling rather than dealing with web development. Shopify is especially important for people who want a worry-free experience with reliable support, mobile optimization, and strong inventory management. The importance of its all-in-one design means you can scale your store quickly without hiring developers, saving both time and money. On the other hand, the importance of WordPress with WooCommerce lies in its flexibility and freedom. WordPress powers over 40% of all websites globally, and adding WooCommerce turns it into a powerful e-commerce tool. It is perfect for those who want more control over their store's design, features, SEO, and content. WordPress is especially important for businesses that want to combine blogging, content marketing, and e-commerce all in one place. It also allows integration with a variety of tools and custom plugins that can help personalize your store. The open source of nature of WordPress gives you the freedom to customize every detail, which is essential for businesses that want unique branding and tailored customer experience. Now this is the time of conclude the topic, guys. So conclusion is here. Why this choice matters. In short, the importance of choosing between Shopify and WordPress is about setting the foundation of your business. A platform is not just a tool. Now it becomes the backbone of your entire e-commerce journey. The better the platform fits your business model, the easier it is to succeed. Whether you want ease and speed with Shopify or control and customization with WordPress, making the right decision gives your business a stronger chance of long-term success. Thank you so much for watching. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to give it a thumbs up, share it with your friends. Subscribe to my channel Pakistani Girl in USA for more informative content. Allah Hafiz.